Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create table in Oracle database. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using online compiler for Oracle. So we are going to create table. Now write here create, then write table and then add table name like student. Now start bracket. Now add column name ID. Again add space. Now add data type number. So this is our data type number for ID column. Now add bracket again. So we are going to add number like 10. So this is our length for ID column. Now add space. Now add comma again. Now add space. So we are going to add another column like name. Now add data type for name column varchar. Now you see we added varchar too. Now add bracket again. So we are going to add length for this column 100. Now you see length in bracket. Now add comma again. So we are going to add more column. Now add city. Again add data type varchar. Now add bracket again. Now add length 50. So we added create table student, then ID number, name and city column. So we added 3 column in table name student. Now add semicolon. So this is our format. So we are going to make ID number primary key. Now again click on it. Now add primary key. So we are going to make ID column primary key. So this is our query for Oracle. Now you see create table student ID number, length, primary key, name, data type. Now you see column name, city, data type. So by using this query, you can create table in Oracle database. So we are going to check it. Now we are going to insert value. Now add insert into table name student. Now add values. Now start bracket. Now add ID number 1. Now add comma. So we are going to add name. Now start inverted comma. So we are going to add name. Now you see. Now add comma again. Again add inverted comma. So we are going to add city Islamabad. You can add any record. Then add semicolon. So we added record insert into student value 1 Shah Islamabad. Now we are going to display it. Now add select static from table name students. Now add semicolon. So we are going to display record and then we are going to execute this query for Oracle. Now click on run. Now you see output and you will find all query in video description or in comment section. Now you see table is created, ID, name, city. Also you see record 1 Shah Islamabad. So in this way you can create table in Oracle database. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.